Imagine walking into your living room, turning on your television, and realizing that the device sitting under your screen is no longer just a media box, but the absolute central intelligence hub for your entire home. For years, the streaming box market felt completely stagnant. We watched as basic smart television interfaces got clunkier, slower, and packed to the brim with invasive advertisements. Streaming sticks became cheap, disposable plastic keys that lagged under the pressure of basic high-definition video. The consumer tech world simply accepted that looking for something to watch meant dealing with buffering wheels, frustratingly slow searches, and compressed audio that ruined the cinematic experience. But behind closed doors, a massive, highly calculated shift has been taking place. Apple is executing a high-stakes strategy to completely take over the living room, and it goes far beyond simply playing your favorite movies. The next evolution of the Apple TV 4K represents the single largest architectural leap in the history of home entertainment devices. A total line in the sand that turns a simple streaming box into an absolute computational powerhouse. If you're thinking about buying a streaming device, an entry-level gaming console, or a smart home hub anytime soon, you need to pause exactly where you are. The massive architectural updates leaking out of the hardware supply chain reveal that the old era of passive television is completely dead, and what is taking its place will make every current device under your television look like an ancient relic. Think about it. The major frustration with modern home theaters has never been a lack of content. It has been the absolute friction of finding it. We have grown accustomed to dealing with rigid, frustrating voice remotes that require you to speak like a robot just to find a single title. Apple has decided to eliminate this compromise completely by shifting the core processing power of this home machine into the stratosphere. The architecture driving the upcoming ecosystem is dropping the older silicon and making a historic leap directly to the elite 3nm A17 Pro system on a chip, backed by a massive expansion to 8 GB of unified memory. To put that into perspective, this tiny, silent box under your television now possesses the exact same raw computational dominance as premium flagship smartphones and modern laptops. This immense pool of local processing power isn't there just to load menus a microsecond faster. It is engineered specifically to run the advanced, context-aware layers of Apple Intelligence directly on your television screen. The days of shouting broken phrases into your remote are gone. The new generative intelligence model allows you to speak to your television in completely natural, fluid language. You can casually ask it to find that gritty psychological thriller from the early 2000s with the twist ending you can't quite remember, and the local neural engine will instantly piece the context together across every streaming platform simultaneously, delivering the exact asset without sending a single byte of your private data to a cloud server. But this massive jump in silicon architecture unlocks an even bigger disruption that will catch the traditional video game industry completely off guard. For decades, the line between casual media streaming and high-end console gaming was deeply set. If you wanted to play visually stunning, immersive titles, you had to invest hundreds of dollars into a massive, power-hungry gaming console that dominated your entertainment center. The integration of the A17 Pro chip completely shatters this